Start.
Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. It's me Muhammad Rajan Parvez Sifat and I hope you all are doing well. How are you all?
Alhamdulillah, we all
We
are
are
fine.
fine.
Okay, so
How
this
are
is
you, sir? How are you, sir?
I'm also fine, but I'm not, sir. I'm a student. So this is Liaquat Kirs English and another wonderful live session, or we can say a class for our daily routine. So today our honorable Miss Tasnim Miss is our host. So Miss, carry on.
Thank you, Sifat. But I think this is not our live session. This is our regular class, no? Okay,
No, class.
regular class. Yes, not live session. So thank you. I hope you all are fine. And I gave you a story last class. And so I think I just take the story as a presentation. So who want to give first? Arafat? No? আচ্ছা, পড়তিছে?
7 continents.
Yes. And everyone try to listen carefully. আমরা listening থেকেও শুনবো, ঠিক আছে? পড়তি যেটা বলছে সেই listening থেকেও আমরা try করব যে information collect করার জন্য. So Orti, give your presentation. Start your presentation.
The 7 continents. We all know that our country, Bangladesh, is situated in the continent Asia. Continents are solid areas of massive land masses. There are 7 continents in the world, from bigger to smaller. First, Asia being the largest continent, and Australia the smallest. In the middle of those two continents comes Africa, North America, Antarctica, and Europe. Asia is the largest and the most populous. More than 4 billion people are residing in Asia. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. It consists of 48 countries, and around hundreds of languages are spoken. Next comes the second largest and most populous, Africa. It has around 54 countries. It is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Red Sea, and Mediterranean Sea. Africa has the longest river, River Nile. The largest country in Africa is Algeria. It also consists of Sahara Desert, the hottest desert in the country. Then North America with 23 countries and is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic Oceans. USA, the richest country, is situated in North America, and Mexico, the most populous, is also situated in
North America.
Is North America. Next comes South America, bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. South America has 12 countries. After that, it is Antarctica. It is covered with ice and is bordered by the Southern Ocean. It is the least populated continent and has a dry and windy weather. There are no permanent residents on this island. Next is Europe, the third most populous continent with 50 countries. Russia is the largest country and Vatican City being the smallest country in the world. Next comes Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is a home to many kangaroos and many koalas. Done.
Done. Thank you. But I think you gave the presentation with saying to see the copy. Okay.
Means I
So,
saw the names of
but
the
try,
countries.
yes, I know, but আমাদের যেই কি বলে হিসাব নিকাশ আছে কয়টা কান্ট্রি কোথায় কোন নদী সেটা আমাদের হয়তো মনে থাকে না. That's why you have to read again and again. You're writing, you just read again and again and you give the presentation. Thank you, Urti, and these hearts are for you. Okay. Now Arafat. আচ্ছা, তাহলে দেখো যারা দেখিনি যারা লিখিনি তারা তো পিছিয়ে গেলাম, কি বলো? জয়িতা গত ক্লাসে বলেছিলাম কিন্তু আমাদের প্রতিটা ক্লাসে একটা করে হয়তো স্টোরি থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, নাও আরাফাত, give your presentation.
7 continents. A continent is a large continuous mass of land conventionally regarded as a collective region. The Earth has 7 continents. At the first continent is Asia. In the most populous continent, it has 48 countries. There was
দেখেই বলো তাহলে, যেহেতু আমরা এখনো প্রিপেয়ার না, দেখেই বলো, হ্যাঁ, যেহেতু লিখেছো
is
দেখে বলো।
surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The largest city in the Tokyo in here and the largest deep island in Bangladesh are also situated in Asia continent. Um, in the second continent is Africa. Their largest desert is Sahara Desert are also situated in here, and the largest river is Nile are also situated in Africa. Africa consists of 54 countries. It's surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Red Sea.
রেড
In
সি।
the third continent, North America has richest country in the world, and Mexico is popular are also. Um, it in the fourth continent is South America. It has 12 countries, and there was in the fifth continent is Antarctica. There are no many men live in the continent. That border is ice bar. That's very cold, and there is animals live a penguin in Antarctica. In the sixth continent is Europe. It has 50 countries. It's surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the largest country, Russia, are also situated in his continent. In this seventh continent is Australia. This is the smallest continent. It has main cities, Sydney, Canberra, and etc. There are popular animal is kangaroo and horse.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ আরাফাত, and I'm giving you this heart for you. Okay, and now next, who wrote it? শ্রেয়া লিখেছে। আচ্ছা, যারা লিখিনি বা দেখিনি তাদের দুইজনের পড়া থেকে, অর্থী এবং আরাফাত থেকে কি কোনো কিছু বলতে পারবো আমরা? Can you tell anything about the continents?
Miss, I'm left.
আচ্ছা, আমি জানি, I know. একটা করে তার মানে এখন সামিয়া মির্জা রিড করবে, আবার একটু মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনবো, একটা দুইটা ইনফরমেশন হয়তো লিখার চেষ্টা করবো। ওকে, সো সামিয়া মির্জা স্টার্ট। বাকিদের বলছি যারা একদমই লিখি নাই, অন্তত একটা দুইটা ইনফরমেশন আমরা লিখবো। স্টার্ট।
The 7 continents. Continents are solid areas of massive land masses. The Earth has 7 such continents, from largest to smallest in size. Starting from Asia being the largest continent, then comes Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and the smallest being Australia. Let's start with Asia. It's the largest and the most populous continent. Asia has more than 4 billion people residing. The Asian continent is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Asia continent consists of 48 countries. The Himalayas,
The highest mountain peak.
the world's biggest mountain peaks.
আমরা biggest বলবো না, it is highest, উঁচুটা, highest.
Okay, miss.
Highest mountain peak.
The highest mountain and peaks. There are around 100 of languages being spoken. India has 30 official languages. It's what the next continent is Africa. Africa, the second largest and the second most popular continent. It has 54 countries. The African continent is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Mediterranean Ocean.
Misbah, try to write down, Misbah. তুমি বলে যাও।
And the Red Sea. The largest country in Africa is Algeria.
Algeria.
Africa has the largest river in the world. It's the River Nile. The African continent also consists of the largest hot desert. It's the Sahara Desert in
Labib,
northern
are you
Africa.
writing? Try
Next
to write
comes
down
North
any
America,
information.
the third largest continent in the world. North America has 23 countries, and it's surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, and the Arctic Ocean. USA is the richest country, and Mexico is the most popular. Next comes South America. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. In South America has 12 countries. Next comes Antarctica. It is a continent covered with ice. It's bordered by the Southern Ocean, and it is the least populated continent and has windy and dry weather. There aren't any permanent residents on this island. Antarctica is home to many penguins.
Animals.
They survive on ice. Next comes the European continent. It is the world's third most popular continent with 50 countries. Russia being the largest country in Europe, and the Vatican City being the the smallest country in the world. The smallest continent is Australia. The main cities in Australia are Melbourne, Sydney, Darwin,
Melbourne.
Brisbane. Yes, miss?
Melbourne.
Okay, miss. Canberra. Kangaroos and koalas are the most well-known Australian animals, and that's a wrap with all the
information. Thank you, Samia. Thank you. And these hearts are for you only, Samia. Okay. So now, did you write? আচ্ছা, যারা শেষে লিখবো, ওয়েট, যারা আগে লিখিনি, মানে এখন লিখছি তাদেরটা আমি পরে নিব, যারা আগে লিখে নিয়েছে কষ্ট করে তাদেরটা শুনবো। Umara, did you write? Umara.
Miss.
Yes. You didn't write, but now try to write down. আচ্ছা, তাহলে এখন দেখো লেখার চেষ্টা করো, হ্যাঁ? Okay, শ্রেয়া, নাও শ্রেয়া। শ্রেয়ার পরে আমাকে জোহান বলবে কি কি ইনফরমেশন কালেক্ট করেছে। Okay, Shreya.
7 continents. First, start with Asia. Asia is the largest and the most popular continent. Asia consists of 48 countries. Africa, the second largest and second most popular continent. It has around 54 countries. The largest countries in Africa is Algeria, and Africa has the largest river in the world. The African continent also contains of the largest hot desert is the Sahara Desert in northern Africa. Africa must be found having the longest river hot desert in the country. Next comes North America, the third largest continent in the world. North America has 23 countries. To the west of the Atlantic Ocean, to the east. South America has 12 countries. It has a continent covered with ice. Next comes the European continent. It is the third most popular continent with 50 countries. Russia being the largest countries in the Europe, and the Vatican City, being the smallest country in the world. And finally, the smallest country is Australia.
Not
Kangaroos and
country,
koalas.
continent. Australia, not country, continent. The large.
Sorry, ma'am. The kangaroos and koalas are the most well-known
Australian
Australia's animals.
Thank you. Australian animals. ঠিক আছে? Thank you. Now জোহান
Yeah.
বলবো। খুব দ্রুত বলবো এবার, তারপর আমরা আমাদের নতুন পড়ায় চলে যাব। আচ্ছা জোহান। সো এভরিডে আমরা ট্রাই করব যে প্রতিদিনই হয়তো এই গল্পটা আবার সুন্দর করে চেষ্টা করবে, হ্যাঁ? ওকে জোহান, try it. How many information did you collect? Sorry জোহান, say loudly. কেউ কি শুনতে পাচ্ছি জোহানকে?
No, miss.
No, miss.
No, miss.
Same problem, Johan. You can unplug your headphone or you can take your speech near. Mouth speechটা কাছে নিয়ে আসো, শোনা যাচ্ছে না। Okay, so Naushin বলো, quick.
Miss, I need the half and more
Okay.
of it.
আচ্ছা
Is it
যতটুকু
enough?
লিখেছি quick. হ্যাঁ।
Okay, well, continents are solid areas of massive land masses. The Earth has 7 such continents from largest to smallest in size. At first, I would like to go with Asia. Asia is the largest continent, then comes Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Europe. Asia has more than 4 billion people residing. The Asian continent is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. Asia consists of 48 countries. Then it's Africa, the second largest and the second most popular continent. The Indian Ocean and the Red Sea, etc. The largest country in Africa is Algeria. Africa also has the largest river in the world. The Africa continent also consists of the largest hot desert. It's Sahara Desert in northern Africa. Then USA is the richest country and Mexico is the most populous. Next comes our South America. It's bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. South America has 12 countries. Next comes Antarctica. Miss, done. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Now Joyita. After Joyita, then Labib.
Miss, I'm just writing.
হ্যাঁ, যতটুকু লিখেছি বলবো, quick.
Okay, miss.
You can't do it now, Joyita. So next class তাহলে এটা কমপ্লিট করবে, ওকে? Joyita already left. Now Labib বলবো।
Miss.
Okay.
The 7
After Labib, then Ziwana. Be ready.
Yes. The 7 continents. Can I say a story about 1 billion years ago?
Okay. I want to listen.
Once upon a time, there's one biggest continent, and the continent have many earthquakes and divided by 7 continents. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North, South,
North
North
America,
Africa,
South America,
Europe, and Australia. Let's start with the Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. These were the populated. It is the very populated continent. There's many cultures and many things in Asia. There were many animals too, like panda and many things. And the second one is not Africa. There were many deserts in Africa. There are animals too, like camels, ostrich, etc. Then the North America. The military power was the country of North America is the biggest power of military.
Okay,
And
thank you, Labib. Try to listen our particular story and try to give the presentation. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
So, Zohan, is it okay now?
Miss, can
হ্যাঁ, now I can hear you. আচ্ছা, যাদের এটা করা শেষ, আফ্রিকা মহাদেশ ঘোরা শেষ, সবাই এখন আমরা একটু গ্রামারে থাকবো, এটা একটু লিখবো। You can write it down, then I will make you understand later. বাট যারা যারা বলেনি সবাইকেই বলতে হবে, হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা, so now জিওয়ানা বলবো। After finishing your
We have to
presentation,
write
then
it.
write it. Yeah.
All of them.
Yes. Zohan, sorry, Zohanকে বলেছি, then জিওয়ানা বলবো। Zohan, start.
there are 7 continents in the world, and Asia is the biggest and Australia is the smallest. Start with Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world, and it has 48 countries. There are India and Bangladesh share the biggest border in the Asia, and there um Tokyo is the biggest city in the Asia, and Japan is the most futuristic country in Asia, and then there is second biggest country. The biggest continent is Africa, and Africa has the biggest river in the world. It has also the biggest forest. There is the biggest desert
Desert.
called Sahara Desert, and then um, after that there are North America. It has the most powerful military in the world, and the United States of America is the richest country in the world. And then there is South Africa. In South America, it has 12 countries in it, and South America is mostly popular for football, because of Argentina and Brazil. And then there are Europe, and Europe has 50 country and
50
and
countries.
50 countries, and the biggest is Russia, and the smallest is Vatican City. And there are the sixth smallest country, and that means Antarctica, and it is surrounded by ice, and there and we there is
There is
nothing
no
there
permanent resident in it.
and then there is Australia. Australia
Smallest
is
continent.
smallest continent, and it has the high temperature in the world, and it has many animals just like kangaroos, koalas, and ostriches.
Thank you, Zohan. These hearts are for you. Zohanটাও ভালো ছিল। আচ্ছা, then anyone left? জিওয়ানা বলবো, জিওয়ানা then শ্রীপর্ণা। পাশাপাশি এটা লিখতে থাকবো, একটু বলে দিই, হ্যাঁ? Abolish, abolition, advice, advice, এটা কি করছি আমরা? ভার্ব থেকে নাউন করছি আমরা, ঠিক আছে? ভার্ব জানি কাজ, আর নাউন হচ্ছে কোনো কিছুর নাম। সো যদি বলি অ্যাবলিশ মানে বাতিল করা, আর অ্যাবলিউশন মানে বাতিল। অ্যাডভাইস উপদেশ দেওয়া, অ্যাডভাইস উপদেশ। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে একটা হচ্ছে নাউন আর একটা হচ্ছে ভার্ব। চুজ, চয়েস। কমপ্লিট, কমপ্লিশন। ডিসাইড, ডিসিশন। এক্সপ্লেইন, explanation. Favor, favorism. Improve, improvement. Pronounce, pronunciation. Accuse, accusation. অভিযোগ করা আর অভিযুক্ত, অভিযোগ। Astonish, astonishment. Complain, complaint. Deceive, deceit. Destroy, destruction. Explode, explosion. Imagine, imagination. Inquire, inquiry. Pursue, persuade. Satisfy, satisfaction. লিখার পরে এভাবে জোরে জোরে পড়বো, এবং মেজবা আহমেদ ভিডিও অন করবো। মেজবা, আই এম কলিং ইউ। হ্যাঁ, ভিডিও বন্ধ রাখবো না। আচ্ছা, জিওয়ানা বলে ফেলো কুইক। What did you understand?
The seven
7 continents. তারপরে শ্রীপর্ণা বলবে।
Continents are solid areas of massive land masses. The Earth has 7 continents from largest to smallest in size. Starting from Asia being the largest continent, then comes Africa, North Africa, South Africa, Antarctica, Europe, and the smallest, Australia. Asia is the largest and the most popular country. It has more than 4 billion people. The Asia continent is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Asia consisting of 48 continents. It has around 45 countries. Africa is surrounded with Indian Ocean and Antarctica Ocean. Is it really?
That's all for today. এতটুকুই দেখবো বলো? That's it. শ্রীপর্ণা, then উমারা. Okay? শ্রীপর্ণা বলবে।
Miss, I don't collect many information because I'm sick.
Because sick বলবো না, because I was sick. That's why I didn't write down. That's it.
Okay, Miss.
তাহলে আজকে আচ্ছা কিছু বলতে পারবো নাকি?
Miss Argo.
আচ্ছা হুম।
Asia lived 4 billion people, and Asia consists in 48 countries. Africa has a big river. India is a 30 official languages, and Australia popular for kangaroo and koala.
That's it. উমারা বলবো। আচ্ছা তাহলে শ্রীপর্ণা আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি 7 কন্টিনেন্টসটা আবার দেখবো TN24 চ্যানেল থেকে। আচ্ছা সিফাত ইজ লেফট। উমারা একটু বলে নেয় যেহেতু নামটা বলে ফেলেছি। উমারা প্লিজ। আফটার উমারা দেন সিফাত। ওকে
7 continent.
তাহলে বসে বসে বাকিগুলো এখন এটা মুখস্থ করে ফেলবো, সবাইকে বলবো, ক্লাসের পড়া ক্লাসে রান করবো। উমারা
Are
স্টার্ট।
the essence things to spot. A continent is the largest solid area of land. Earth has 7 continents. In order
You
from
are not
largest,
reading.
there are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Sometimes people think of Europe and Asia as a single continent called Eurasia. Australia is part of a large area called Oceania or Australasia.
লিখেছেন? আচ্ছা থ্যাংক ইউ। নাও সিফাত। তাহলে উবার আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি, গল্পটা কিন্তু দেখবো আবার। ওকে না দেখলে আমরা লিখতে পারবো না। উবার হ্যাঁ সিফাত স্টার্ট।
7 continents. Continents are solid areas of massive land masses. Earth has 7 such continents from largest to smallest in size. Starting Asia being the largest continent. Then comes Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and the smallest being Australia. Asia has more than 4 billion people residing. The Asian continent is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, and Asia consists of 48 countries. It's Africa, the second largest and the second most populous continent. The African continent is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. The largest country in Africa is Algeria, and Africa has the largest river in the world. African continent also consists of the largest hot desert. It's the Sahara Desert in North Africa. USA is the richest country in North America. South America consists of 12 countries. It's bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Antarctic Ocean to the east. Antarctica continent covered with ice, and it's bordered by the Southern Ocean. Then European continent consists 50 countries. Russia being the largest country in Europe, and the Vatican City being the smallest country in the world. And finally, the smallest continent is Australia. The main cities in Australia are Melbourne, Sydney, Darwin, Brisbane, and Canberra. Kangaroos and koalas are most well-known Australian animals. That's all.
Excellent, Sipat. Very good. Did you watch the story, Sipat, or just listen
Yes,
your
Miss.
friends?
I was watched because um of very pressure in from school because I have the most difficult exam in our school,
I
the
had.
math. Yes, I had.
Okay. Thank you, Sipat. But great. You already give all the information. And the last one is Mezba. নওশিন কি বলেছিল না? হ্যাঁ, মেজবা একটু বলবো। মেজবা, প্লিজ। আর কার কার মুখস্থ হয়েছে আমি ধরবো একটু। হুম, মেজবা। মেজবা, প্লিজ।
মিস আমি প্রেজেন্টেশন করব
Yes. Will I give the presentation?
কিন্তু মিস আমি
দেখেই বলো যতটুকু।
পরবর্তী ক্লাসে জয়েন
না, মানে যতটুকু লিখেছি সবারটা শুনে বুঝতে পেরেছি সেটাই বলবো।
Miss,
হুম,
Miss, what is the pronunciation of the noun of favor?
favorism. Where is favor?
Miss,
Favorism. Favorism. TISM. Favorism.
Miss,
Yes.
what is the meaning of pursuit?
আচ্ছা, পার্সু হচ্ছে কোনো কিছু সাধনা করা বা একটা কিছু লেগেই থাকা। হ্যাঁ, পার্সু করা। আর পার্সুট মানে হচ্ছে সাধনা। ওকে, সবাই লিখেছি।
Yes,
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমি আবার একটু বলে দিচ্ছি। Abolish, evolution. Abolish, evolution. Advice, advice. Advice, advice. Choose, choice. Choose, choice. Complete, completion. Complete, completion. Decide, decision. Decide, decision. Explain, explanation. Explain, explanation. Favor, favorism. Favorism. Favor, favorism. Improve, improvement. Improve, improvement. Pronounce, pronounce মানে উচ্চারণ করা, verb. Pronunciation. Pronounce, pronunciation. Accuse, accusation. Accuse, accusation. Yes. নেট প্রবলেম ছিল, বুঝতে পেরেছি। হ্যাঁ,
I can hear you. I
এখন
can
এখনো
see
তাহলে।
anything.
আচ্ছা, still now I think you're facing problem. Is it okay now? Astonish, astonishment. Astonish, astonish. Complain, complaint. Complain, complaint. Deceive, deceit. Deceive, deceit. Destroy, destruction. Destroy, destruction. Explode, explosion. Explode, explosion. Imagine, imagination. Imagine, imagination. Inquire, inquiry. Inquire, inquiry. Pursue, pursuit. Pursue, pursuit. Satisfy, satisfaction. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে নেক্সট ক্লাসে এগুলো পড়া ধরবো। সো নাও জাস্ট গিভ ইউ শো ইউর কপি। কপিটা দেখি সবাইকে লিখেছি কিনা। জয়িতা তো মাত্রই জয়েন করেছো, নো প্রবলেম, ইউ ক্যান টেক এ স্ক্রিনশট এন্ড লেটার ইউ ক্যান রাইট ইট ডাউন। আচ্ছা, ডিস্ট্রাকশন পর্যন্ত আমরা জোয়ান লিখেছি। সবগুলো ডিস্ট্রাকশন ছিল, আরো তো ছিল। আচ্ছা, all of you done? Can I go to the another session, another slide?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. Go,
আচ্ছা,
go,
তাহলে
go
এখন এটা
ahead.
এটার go ahead. So your task, this is your task. You have to learn, you have to write, you have to practice again and again. Okay. So now we'll do this one, spoken rule 11.
Yay.
You have to write it down. So here, it's time. You know, it's common. It's time to read. It's time to watch. It's time to sing. It's time to dance. So here, sorry. So here it's time মানে এখনই সময়। It's time to eat এখনই খাওয়ার সময়। It's time to start the work এখনই কাজ করার সময়। It's time to study এখন পড়ালেখার সময়। It's high time to study মানে হাই টাইম যদি বলি এখনই সঠিক সময় পড়ালেখা করার। এখন যদি বলি এখন হাসার সময় কি বলবো?
It's time to laugh.
It's time না টুর পরে লাফিং হবে না, it's time to laugh. To love টুর পরে ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম হবে পিবি V1। তারপর যদি বলি এখন কান্না করার সময়
It's time to cry.
It's time to
time to
cry.
cry। সত্যি সত্যি কিন্তু আমরা তো বলতেছি ক্রাই কিন্তু সিফা তো হেসে হেসে বলতেছি
Please,
it's
I
time
do
to
not
cry।
like spoken.
You don't
Miss,
like spoken rule?
No, because when you give me spoken rules, I have to write.
But Miss, I
You
love
understand?
spoken rule.
হ্যাঁ লিখতে তো হবেই, লিখার জন্যই তো
But
দিচ্ছি।
because I write so much in the school, our teachers give so much writing.
শোনো এখন যত কষ্ট করবা পরবর্তীতে লাইফটা তত তারা ঝলমলে হবে। Am I right?
Miss,
তাই না?
I am thinking
আর
that
এখন
it's
আমরা যদি
time to
খুব বেশি মজা
glitter
করি
in
আরাম
inside.
করি তখন হচ্ছে যে তখন আরো কষ্ট করতে হবে। সো বয়সকালে কষ্ট করার চেয়ে বয়সকালে আরাম করি আর এখন একটু কষ্ট করি, কি বলো?
Yes, Miss. Spoken
Yes,
rule is
Miss.
essential for our speaking.
হ্যাঁ, speaking as well as writing. If you want to
Yes,
write
Miss.
correctly, then you can use these type of spoken rule. So I think this is very
That's why I
important.
love spoken rules.
Good. So this is very important. I think I will give 50 spoken rule and then every week try to practice. Okay?
Miss, I am thinking that it's time to eat our evening snacks.
Yes. So can I leave? Will I go to your house?
Yes, Miss.
For
You are
snack?
invited.
Okay,
Since the
thank
last
you.
year.
Yeah, thank you. আমরা কি এখানে কেউ আছি পঞ্চগড় থেকে কেউ জয়েন করেছে? Anyone from পঞ্চগড় or near পঞ্চগড়? তো কি আছি?
Miss, Miss, you were comes to our so near, but unfortunately you went to Dhaka.
Maybe I will start 25. Our destination is to Panchgarh, and then 26 and 27 inshallah come back Dhaka. So কেউ যদি বলো
Miss, when will you come Brahmanbaria?
Brahmanbaria, I don't know actually.
If you come Brahmanbaria, please come to our house.
Inshallah.
Brahmanbaria. Miss, my
Near
native
Kumilla.
house is Miss, my native house is Panchagor.
Oh,
Miss, I
Panchagor.
have a question.
And
Yes.
I come from Nilphamari.
Nilphamari. But now you join. Where are you
Miss,
from
where
now?
do you live?
Right now I'm in Dhaka. I
Yeah.
live in Dhaka, but I come from
Okay.
Nilphamari.
Okay. Your home district is Nilphamari.
Miss, where do you live?
Yes, miss.
Me. Who said where do I live?
Yes,
Labib said,
Okay, I live in Dhaka, Lalmatia, beside Dhanbandi.
I want to go there once.
Yeah. You want to, that means you didn't come. Orti?
No.
Miss,
But Ortiকে দেখে মনে
There
হচ্ছে
was a-
Ortiকে দেখে মনে হচ্ছে Ortiকে আমি সামনাসামনি কোথায় জানি দেখেছি।
No, Miss. কোথাও তো
হ্যাঁ।
যাইনি এরকম কোথাও। I also missed the tour that was held
Yes.
because I was sick that day and I had fever.
I think I told your mom to join our study tour. Okay, done this one.
Yes, Miss.
So লাবিব বলো এখন বসে থাকার সময় কি বলবো?
Miss, it's time to sit.
It's time to sit. So লাবিব এজন্যই বসে আছে। So I hope done. Now this is the another rule. কোনো বিষয়ে জোর প্রদানের ক্ষেত্রে সাবজেক্টের সাথে যদি রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউনটি উল্লেখ করি তাহলে সেটা হচ্ছে ফর এক্সাম্পল লাইক I myself told you, আমি নিজে তোমাকে এটা বলেছিলাম, একটু জোর দিয়ে বলা, আমি এটা তোমাকে নিজে বলেছিলাম। I myself told you. I এর reflexive pronoun myself. রানা হচ্ছে একজন ছেলে, সো তার জন্য হচ্ছে himself, তার মানে he himself. রানা himself. রানা himself is guilty. রানা নিজে দোষী. I did it myself. আমি নিজে এটা করেছিলাম. Past tense. I did it myself. You did it yourself. She herself made a cup of tea. সে নিজে চা বানিয়েছিল। ঠিক আছে, সো এটাও লিখে ফেলবো। Spoken rule and write down the Bangla word and just write down the examples. So,
Miss done.
really? Sorry.
Yes, Miss. I just do the. Done, Miss.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss.
আচ্ছা, নিজে থেকে আমরা কয়েকটা সেন্টেন্স বলি তো। সরি।
No, Miss.
ওকে, সো আমরা চাইলে নিজে থেকে কিছু সেন্টেন্স বলি তো। সিফাত বলো।
Okay, Miss.
First of all, you say spoken about
Okay.
spoken rule 11, then you say spoken rule 12. Spoken rule 11 কি ছিল? It's time.
It's two sentence, right?
Yeah.
Spoken rule 11, spoken rule 12. Okay. So the first one is it's time to watch movies, and the second one is my friend himself told to make a coffee.
Okay. And if I say now it's time to pray Maghrib Salat.
Yes. Is
এই
the
যে
right.
এখনই, তাই না? তাহলে আমরা মানে এভরিডে লাইফে নিয়ে যাবো। এখনই আমাদের মাগরিবের নামাজ পড়ার সময়। It's time to pray
Yes.
Maghrib Salat. আচ্ছা। So I will give you time for 10 minutes, no problem. Did you write it down? Can I change this topic?
Yes, Miss.
Now write it down. Self practice, answer, affirmative and negative. কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করবে এটা আমাকে মুখে মুখে বলতে হবে, বাট দেখে বলবো। কিভাবে? Are you at market now? Yes, I am.
Miss,
Are
do
you
we have
at
to write
market
it?
now? No, I'm not. Sorry.
Miss, do we have to write it?
Yes.
Okay.
পড়তে লিখতে অনেক কষ্ট হচ্ছে, আরো বেশি লিখতে দিব তাহলে। কারণ আমি চাই যে তোমরা অনেক বড় বড় জায়গায় যাও, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, so are you at market now? Yes, I'm at market now. Are you at market now? No, I'm not at market now. তাহলে এখানে কিন্তু খেয়াল করব কোন এই যে I এর সাথে am, you আছে, I বলবো I am। এখন যদি বলি নাম্বার 2, were you a brilliant student? তুমি কি একজন ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট ছিলে? তাহলে বলো তো অ্যান্সারটা কি আসবে? ধরো তুমি ছিলে, তখন কি বলবে? সাপোজ।
Yes, I was a
Yes,
brilliant
I was
Yes,
a
I am a
student.
brilliant
এখন
student.
আমি এই জায়গায় যদি বলি yes I am a brilliant student হবে?
No, miss.
কেন
It
বলো
will be
তো?
No,
the
miss.
Because
because
this is
miss,
the
this
past
is
tense.
past
হ্যাঁ,
form.
তাহলে এটা
Yes,
past
miss.
form, আমাকে অ্যান্সারও past form এ দিতে হবে। Were
Yes,
you
I
a
was.
brilliant student? Yes, I was
Yes,
a
I
brilliant
was.
student. Were you a brilliant student? No, I wasn't a brilliant student. ঠিক আছে? এবার দেখো will you be happy, এটা কোন টেন্স? এখন যদি বলি yes I am happy হবে?
This is future tense.
ফিউচার, তাহলে কি
No, miss.
হবে?
That's
I will be happy. No, I
I
won't
won't
be
be
happy.
happy.
তাহলে will not, that is called won't. Clear? তাহলে will you be happy? Yes, I will be happy. Will you be happy? No, I won't be happy. Will they be at the meeting? Yes, they will be at the meeting. Will they be at the meeting? No, they won't be at the meeting. পারবো তাহলে? তাহলে কি পুরোটা বলে দিব এখন?
No, miss.
উমারা বুঝতে পেরেছি?
no,
উমারা,
miss.
উমারা, do you understand? উমারা, উমারা কনফিউশন থাকলে এখনই আমাকে বলো। উমারা বলো, বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
2 নাম্বারটা বুঝতে পারিনি মিস।
আচ্ছা, 2 নম্বরটা হচ্ছে where. where কোন টেন্স বলো তো? I was, you were. whereটা কোন টেন্স? was where কোন টেন্সে বসে সেটা বলো। প্রেজেন্টে, পাস্টে?
ফার্স্টে।
পাস্টে। তাহলে আমি যদি তোমাকে বলি তুমি কি একজন ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট ছিলে, তখন তুমি বলবে হ্যাঁ মিস আমি ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট ছিলাম। তখন তুমি বলবা না যে, আমি যদি বলি তুমি ছিলে, তখন তুমি অবশ্যই ছিলে বলেই অ্যান্সার দিবে, তাই না? ছিলাম। তুমি বলবা না যে হ্যাঁ আমি ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট। এখনকার জিজ্ঞাসা করিনি, এটা আগের কথা জিজ্ঞাসা করেছি। ওয়ার ইউ আর ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট, তখন তুমি কি বলবে? ইয়েস আয়ের সাথে তখন কি ওয়ার বলবো নাকি ওয়াজ বলবো? আই আয়ের সাথে কি হয়? ওয়াজ হয় না ওয়ার হয়?
Where?
I were, I was, or were?
Miss was.
একটু উমারা বলো তো কি হবে?
Was.
ওয়াজ, আয়ের সাথে তো ওয়াজ হবে। তার মানে আমাদের ওইটা একটু ভালো করে করতে হবে। তাহলে আই ওয়াজ আ ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট। আর যদি নেগেটিভ হয়ে থাকে, আই ওয়াজেন্ট আ ব্রিলিয়ান্ট স্টুডেন্ট, এই যে ওয়াজেন্ট। ঠিক আছে উমারা? ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, miss.
ওকে, তাহলে এখন তুমি আমাকে 6 নম্বরটা বলো। আর ইউ কনফিডেন্ট নাও, কি বলবে?
Yes,
বল।
I am.
তাহলে কি হবে? ইয়েস আই এম
I am.
কনফিডেন্ট নাও। এবার নেগেটিভটা বলো। আর ইউ কনফিডেন্ট নাও? নো,
No, I.
নো, তাহলে বলো আই এম নট, নাকি?
No,
এটাই
I
তো।
am.
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে নো আই এম নট কনফিডেন্ট নাও। আচ্ছা, 7 নম্বরটা আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করি, তাহলে বুঝবো যে কতটুকু ক্লিয়ার। ওয়ার ইউ আর স্টুডেন্ট 5 years ব্যাক, 5 বছর আগে কি তুমি স্টুডেন্ট ছিলে? কি বলবো? ইয়েস
Yes.
আই,
Yes, I
উমারা বলুক, অন্যরা
was
কেউ বলুক।
student 5 years back.
হ্যাঁ, উমারা বলো কি হবে? ইয়েস,
Yes, I
Yes,
was.
হুম,
I
I was
was.
student
5 years back। আর
back.
এটাকে নেগেটিভ বলবো, নো আই ওয়াজন্ট আ
No,
স্টুডেন্ট 5
I'm
years
not
back।
student. Yes.
আচ্ছা, বাকিগুলো তো পারবেই। এবার যদি বলো won't you be a teacher, তুমি কি একজন টিচার হবে না? কি বলবো? Yes,
I
I
was
will
that
be
teacher.
a teacher. Won't you be a teacher? No, I won't be a teacher. Clear?
Yes.
আচ্ছা,
Yes, miss.
এখন দেখবো যে লাবিব তো সব পারি না, দেখবো যে 10টা কোশ্চেন না দেখে আমাকে কে বলতে পারে উইথ পজিটিভ অ্যান্সার আর নেগেটিভ অ্যান্সার। এটা হচ্ছে টাস্ক।
Miss, what did you say?
I said without seeing you have to say these 10 questions with positive
Please show
answer
me the slide,
and
please.
negative answer. ঠিক আছে? পারবো তো?
Okay, Miss.
এখন এটার জন্য
But Miss,
টোটাল টোটাল লেখার জন্য এবং প্র্যাকটিস করার জন্য সময় দিচ্ছি 5 মিনিট এবং চাই
Positive and negative both answers.
হ্যাঁ বোথ অ্যান্সার দিতে হবে। Are you
Okay,
at
miss.
market now? Yes, I'm at market now. Are you at market now? No, I'm not at market now. দেখবো না দেখি কে কয়টা দিতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? সো কয় মিনিট দিব? 5 minutes is enough?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
আচ্ছা, টোটাল গুনে গুনে 5 মিনিট সময় দিচ্ছি। এর মধ্যে কেউ যদি আছো নামাজ পড়তে, নামাজটা পড়ে ফেলি। Done, all of you? Just wait. Within 1 minute, I will ask you all. And my images are. Okay. So I hope done. Now I allow everyone to talk with me. So first I request Orte. So Orte, tell without saying.
Miss, I also have to see the negative and the
Sorry, I
positive.
can't hear you actually.
Do I have to
আমরা
say
বাকিরা
both?
কি শুনতে পাচ্ছি?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
না, আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না. This is my problem. Digital speaker select. To hello বলি.
Hello.
Unplug করেছি, that's why. আবার একটু বলবো, hello বলি.
Hello.
Sorry, শুনতে পাচ্ছি না. It's okay. সেটাই নিয়েছি. Orti, hello বলো.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
It's okay now.
Okay.
বলো.
Sushita is here now?
Yes.
Wait. Okay. Are you at market? Now, are you at market now? Yes, I am at the market now. Are you at market now? No, I'm not at the market now. Will you be happy? Yes, I will be happy. Will you be happy? No, I won't. No, I won't be happy. Will they be at the meeting? No, they won't be at the meeting. Will they be at the meeting? Yes, they would be at the meeting. Are you confident now? Yes, I am confident now. Are you confident now? No, I'm not confident now. Will you be a traveler? Yes, I will be a traveler. Will you be a traveler? No, I won't be a traveler.
Excellent. Very good. বুঝতে পেরেছি. Orti. Okay, Naushin. After Naushin, Ziwana. এবং বাকিরা কি করবো আমি দেখতে চাই যে সবাই যেন বারবারই প্র্যাকটিস করবো সেম থিং. ওকে.
Can I start?
Yes.
Hey, are you at market now? Yes, I'm at market now. Are you at market now? No, I'm not at market now. Were you a brilliant student? Yes, I was a brilliant student. Were you a brilliant student? No, I wasn't a brilliant student. Will they be at the meeting? Yes, they will be at the meeting. Will they be at the meeting? No, they won't be at the meeting. Will you be happy? Yes, they will. Yes, I will be happy.
Naushin. You're going to start. Ziwana বলবো quick. Thank you, Naushin. Ziwana. Ziwana, then Labib. Thank you, Naushin. Ziwana.
Are you at market now? Yes, I'm at the market now. No, I'm not at the market now. Were you a brilliant student? Yes, I were a brilliant student. No, I wasn't brilliant student. Will you be happy? Yes, I will be happy. No, I won't be happy. Will you be a traveler? Yes, I will be a traveler.
Thank
No, I
you,
won't be a
Ziwana.
traveler.
Next ক্লাসে 10টা কোশ্চেন একদম না দেখে ঝরঝরা ভাবে বলতে হবে, হ্যাঁ? আজকে তুই স্টার্ট করে বলেছি, বাট নেক্সট ক্লাসে try to say very fluently. Now Sifat. Sifat, then Umara.
Miss, all 10.
10. যত দ্রুত বলতে পারি.
Okay, first one is, are you at the market now? Yes, I am at the market now. Are you at the market now? No, I'm not at the market now. Were you a brilliant student? Yes, I were a brilliant student. Were you a brilliant student? No, I weren't a brilliant
I
student.
wasn't.
Wasn't.
I wasn't.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, wait, I wasn't. I wasn't. Uh, I wasn't a brilliant student. Will you be happy? Yes, I will be happy. Will you be happy? No, I won't be happy. Will they be at the meeting? Yes, they will be at the meeting. Will they be at the meeting? No,
They won't
they won't
be
be at the meeting.
meeting. Thank
Will
you.
you be a traveler?
আচ্ছা, থ্যাংক ইউ। উমারা একটু বলবো, উমারার পরে শ্রেয়া, ভিডিও অন করব। আর
Are you at
হচ্ছে
market
আজকে
now?
তেমন আর কিছুই পড়াবো না, আমরা এখান থেকে একটা ডেসক্রাইব করবো, দেখি পিকচারটা নিয়ে কথা বলবো। সো বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড বিকজ উই ফিল স্লিপি। উমারা বলো।
Are you at market now? Yes, I am at market now. Are you at market now? No, I am
I'm
not
not.
at market now.
Hmm.
Oh, oh, will you be a doctor? Yes, I will be a doctor. Will you be a doctor? No, I won't be a doctor.
Hmm.
Will they be at meeting? Yes, they will be at meeting. No, they won't be at meeting. And they will be not meeting. Are you a brilliant student? Yes, I was a brilliant student. Are you a brilliant student? No, I wasn't a brilliant student. I wasn't a brilliant student. Oh,
Okay, thank you, Umara. Now Samara. Not Samara, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. The video.
Okay, start. Shreya বলো।
Are you at market now? Yes, I am at the market now. Are you at market now? No, I am not at the market now. Are you a brilliant student? Yes, I was a brilliant student. Are you a brilliant student? No, I wasn't a brilliant student. Will you be a traveler? Yes, I will be a traveler. Will you be a traveler? No, I will not be a traveler.
Okay,
Will you
thank
be
you. Thank you. তাহলে নেক্সট ক্লাসে এটা পড়বো। আচ্ছা, now anyone left? No one is left. আচ্ছা, লাবিব is left. লাবিব বলবো, হ্যাঁ। লাবিব দ্রুত বলবো।
Are you at market now? No, I'm not at the market now. Are you at market now? Yes, I am at the market now. Were you a student 5 years back? Yes, I was a student 5 years back. Are you a student 5 years back? No, I wasn't a student 5 years back. Are you confident now? Yes, I'm confident now. Are you confident now? No, I wasn't confident now.
Okay, thank you, Labib. I know you are confident now. I think now you are confident enough to speak about this, okay? So, well, I can see pictures about bedroom, and this bedroom is so neat and clean. And first of all, I can see a bed. This bed is not so big, and there is a pillow on the bed. Its color is white, and it has a green bed sheet. And beside the bed, I can see a wardrobe. It has 5 drawers. People can put their necessary clothes in it. And on the wardrobe, I can see a, what is this? Panda?
teddy bear?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
I can see a teddy bear. Its color is orange. And in front of the bed, I can see a rug, or I can see a mat. Its color is blue. Its size is oval, and on it a pair of shoes, and its color is purple. And over the bed, I can see a scenery or picture. It is hanging on the wall. It is a butterfly. And beside the bed, I can see a bedside table and and on the bedside table there is a lamp, and beside the lamp there is a clock, an alarm clock. And in this room there is a door, and there is a window, and it is closed, and it has a curtain holder. Its color is yellow, and it has two part of curtains, that is light blue. That's all about the picture. That's it. You can explain more things, no problem. You can talk about the mat, you can talk about the wall, okay? Their color. So, লাবিব দিয়ে শুরু করবো, লাবিবই বলবো আগে। আচ্ছা, দ্রুত বলবো,
I'm not ready now.
1 মিনিট করে সবাইকে সময় দিবে, 1 মিনিট না, 30 seconds, 30 seconds করে সময় দিবে। স্টার্ট।
Miss me?
হ্যাঁ, লাবিব, স্টার্ট।
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to describe a picture about a neat and clean room. In the picture, there was a neat and clean bed. There was a pillow, a white pillow, and there is a carpet under the beside the bed, and there's the pink color shoe on the carpet. Beside the bed, there is a drawer. On the drawer, top of the drawer, there is a teddy bear. On the wall, there's a beautiful pink butterfly picture, and in the other side of the room, there's a window with yellow colors, and
ওকে,
there's
থ্যাংক ইউ লাবিব। লাবিব ক্লিয়ার না কিন্তু, হ্যাঁ আরেকটু ক্লিয়ার করে বলবো। জিওয়ানা বলবো, আমার খেয়াল ছিল না, 58 সেকেন্ডস হয়েছে। সো জিওয়ানা দ্রুত বলবো প্লিজ। জিওয়ানার
In
পরে
the
সিফাত,
picture,
বি রেডি।
in the picture, we can see a bed. In the bed, we can see a pillow and a white bed sheet. Beside the bed, we can see a wardrobe. The wardrobe color is yellow, and there is also a teddy bear. Under the bed, we can see a rug. The rug's color is blue,
20 মিনিট
and we can also see a pair of shoe. The shoe color is purple. We can also see a painting. There is a painting of butterfly. Beside the bed, we can see a small table.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
The table.
31 seconds. I think if I give you more time, you can talk more, okay? Thank you. Sifat bolbo. After Sifat, then Urti. 30 seconds time.
Okay, in this room, I can see there is a soft and cozy bed, and on the bed there is a pillow. Its color is white, and there is also a bed sheet. Its color is green, and also beside the bed, I can see there is a wardrobe, and its color is yellow color. And on the wardrobe, there is a teddy bear. Its color is brown. And also, I can see there is a picture of butterfly. It's hanging on the wall, and the wings of butterfly are pink and orange. And beside the bed, I can see there is a bedside table. Its color is also yellow, and there is a
Say
green
thank
colored
you.
lamp.
Thank you. 30 seconds done. Urti, then Naushin.
Okay.
Naushin. Be ready. Start.
Wait, no. I
Start.
didn't start. I can see a picture. I can see a bedroom of a kid. I can see many things. I can see a bed. I can see slippers. I can see a window. I can also see a wardrobe. In what do I? Of the bed, there is a picture. It has a picture of a butterfly. There is also a table clock and a lamp. I can also see a teddy bear. The bed is big, and the bed sheet color is green.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, you say 21 seconds, but first sentences, all of sentences, you said, I see, I see, I see.
Because I was confused what to do, and I thought that 30 seconds was over.
Okay. Now Naushin, after Naushin, then Umara. Naushin.
Okay. Well, that's an aesthetic bedroom picture I can see in the screen now. That's a cute girly bedroom. I can see in this bedroom there's a single bed with white bed sheet and with a white pillow. There's a quilt I can see on the bed, and it's about mint color. And near the bed I can see the chest of drawers. It's about 5 drawers, and
It's colored yellow. And there's also a teddy sitting on it, I can see, and it can, and there's also a mat after
Thank you.
it.
35 seconds. I didn't notice it. 35 seconds. Now, whose name I pronounced? I just forgot. Umara bolbo acha. After Umara, then anyone left? No one is left. Umara, start.
I can see a bedroom. I can see a bed. Bed.
Then on the bed, এর উপরে কি
On
আছে?
the
There
bed,
is a
there is
pillow.
a pillow and green bed sheet.
Bed sheet, okay. Then beside the bed,
I
বেডের
can
পাশে কি
beside
আছে?
the bed. If
There
I
is a,
wardrobe,
okay,
white
it has
under the
5.
wardrobe, a teddy bear.
না,
I can
under
see
the wardrobe না, under তো মানে নিচে।
on the
on মানে
wardrobe.
উপরে, হ্যাঁ। On the
On the
wardrobe,
wardrobe, I can see a teddy bear. I can see beside a table. On
bedside
the table,
table, on the table, alarm
alarm
clock,
clock and
and
lamp.
lamp. Okay. And এই জানলাটা নিয়ে বলি, in this room, there is only one window that is closed, but it is closed. And it has two part of curtains. This color is what?
White blue.
No, sky color or light blue. It's light blue. Okay. আচ্ছা, সো এরকম পিকচার নিয়েও আমরা কথা বলতে পারি। সো আমাদের আবার হোমওয়ার্ক থাকবে হচ্ছে এই গল্পটা আমরা করব, এবং আজকে আর গ্রামার করবো না। এই যে দ্য 7 কন্টিনেন্টস, সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করবো এটাকে আবার দেখবো, কয়েকবার দেখবো। তখন কিন্তু তুমি যে কোনো জায়গায় কন্টিনেন্টস নিয়ে কথা বলতে পারবে। এম আই রাইট? ফ্রেন্ডদের জায়গায় বা যে কোনো জায়গায়, টিচাররাও যদি টিচারদেরকেও যদি বলো, স্কুলের টিচার, তখন ওরা কিন্তু খুশি হবে অনেক, যে না আমার ছাত্ররা মনে হয় পড়াশোনা করে, স্টাডি করে, সে শুধু বই পড়ে না, আদার্স বুকও পড়ে। সো ট্রাই টু লিসেন ওয়াচ দিস স্টোরি এগেইন, ওকে? এবং নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমি লেখা দেখতে চাই। সো থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই অল অফ ইউ।
আল্লাহ হাফেজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।